That's funny. Why are you cracking up?
Are you trying? He's trying to get me.
Yes?
Yes.
He's batting you?
Yes, he's batting the camera. He's right up in the grill of the camera, and he was trying to get.
Video me.
He's trying to get me. Look, Rain, I see your face.
Yeah, when people follow people around and they put their hand on the camera, that's what he's doing.
He's like, I don't want to be. Hey, you're gonna get me!
He's like, turn it off, turn it off.
I don't want to be followed by the paparazzi into the couch. Where'd you go? Rain. Rainy. Hiding under the couch. I've been him for like 3 minutes. Hold on, this one is really hilarious. Wait till you see this. This could go. Yes, this could go on YouTube.
Animal Planet.
Hiding under the couch, still got the blue thing tattooed. Evidence of the blue.
What? You're gonna laugh. I think that's 17 points.
We're not going.
Huh?
We're talking about cats right now.
What was the baby do last night?
Your call is being videoed on my video. Stop it right now.